One of my goal in my life is to have an organized and clean email, but I'm really having hard time to find a way to unsubscribe things that I have done until I found this tool. So this tool will help you to unsubscribe things in bulk. And the good thing is it's free. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, one, two, three. Right, so far I have 3,000 for my promotion in social. I already cleaned that up using the tool that I want to share with you. For the updates, I have 5,600 plus. Now, the bad thing really of using a traditional way of unsubscribing things is there's no way for you to obviously subscribe per bulk. You need to manually click that and click the unsubscribe, linked at the bottom of the email. Now on that, for this solution, and the reason really why I'm doing that, because I already consumed 92% of my Gmail free storage, so I really need to clean this up. So yeah, the tool that I wanted to share with you guys is this tool, and it's called unsubscribe Gmail emails in bulk Ninja Help Ninja. So I already added this extension, and you will see this like ninja icon once you added that. And then in here, if this is already turned on, it means it's already working. You just, if it's grayed out on your end, you just need to double tap it, and then there will be like a login that pop up after that. So to allow Ninja Help to access your Gmail. Now, once it's already turned on, you can see this blue icon in here, this unsubscribe thing. Okay, so we will start on unsubscribing in bulk. So what you can do is just click this one, this all, and you can basically unsubscribe 50 emails per 50 emails by bulk. And you can also just filter the unread email, maybe like that one, and then unsubscribe and then click OK. Okay, just wait for a couple of like minutes to see that, to for the pop-ups, because it will ask you to unsubscribe this stuff in here, so you don't need to manually click everything. And since some of my promotional emails are just repetitive, um you will notice some errors afterwards, if that, but you just disregard that part. Now again, if you are cleaning your emails, you're done unsubscribing, you can click this and click delete. So that's how easy it is to unsubscribe things in bulk versus on doing it one by one. And yeah, hope it helps. If you have any question, feel free to reach me out.